Hey guys, we're out here in Euless, Texas installing some zoysia grass, and I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. Our grass hasn't arrived yet, but we're working this soil, and soil is good stuff. So here's our trailer. Let's jump up here and take a look and see what nutrient-rich soil, and this is what we put down underneath the new sod that we're going to do. This comes from Living Earth Technologies. It's a really awesome nutrient-rich stuff, and it helps your sod root in fast, and it helps us to level the lawn, and that's what we're doing out here today. And after we put down our soil, we like to roll our soil just to reveal. It'll help us to reveal any imperfections in the lawn. You know, when it's a matte finish like this here, it looks all nice and stuff, but when we roll it, it kind of gives it that gloss look, and so that high def look. So it lets us to see for sure if we got this thing leveled, if it's gonna look great, and it eliminates some air pockets and all that stuff. And after we install the sod, we go ahead and we roll it again to make sure we have nice contact with the soil, and that's it, man. It's all about the dirt and the prep. So 90% of the time that it takes us to install a lawn, it's working the soil before we put down the sod. And that's a real important point. Where's our sod cutter? We got a sod cutter around here somewhere. Oh, they already parked it back in the truck. They used it this morning. We use that sod cutter, we use rototillers, we use pickaxes, shovels, everything we can do to get this lawn looking amazing. This is a small install for us today. Sometimes we do big jobs, sometimes we do small jobs. But you know, you're a homeowner, you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, you're looking to get maybe your front lawn done, maybe the front and back done. We'll go ahead and give you a satellite bid really quick, and usually within like 24 hours. You like that bid, we'll come out and do a measurement, meet you, greet you, make sure that we're the right company for you, and then we can do a project for you. So Zoysia Sod, come to zoysiasod.com, go ahead and do some research on zoysia, find out which type of grass is the grass for you. And there's about 10 different types of zoysia grasses, so we tell you some more details about each one of them. So adios, guys.